Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, I'd like to thank ITI for inviting me to speak today to share this topic here. I'd like to discuss on how to minimize excess cement and how to maximize the peri-implant soft tissue health. We, as restorative clinicians, are responsible for the failures of our implant restoration from the day that we deliver the restoration. We introduce cement remnants in the peri-implant tissue, resulting in inflammation and also bone loss. And this problem was highlighted in the recent consensus paper by Albertson in 2016, that the excess cement is a problem with clinical handling. Cement remnants can lead to marginal bone resorption and infection due to a foreign body reaction. However, the good thing is that by removing the cement, in many cases, easily solve the problem and further bone resorption does not occur. Wilson, in 2009, shows that in the group of implant with peri-implant disease, majority of them are due to the presence of excess cement. And using a dental endoscope and also a follow-up appointment a few weeks after the cleaning process, majority of the implants to become healthy, and the clinical and endoscopic sign of peri-implant disease were absent in 74% of the test implant. So, to understand this problem, we have to really examine on how to get the least cement possible and how to maximize the peri-implant soft tissue health. And you have to sort of look at what happens around our implant restoration compared to the natural teeth.